How to use the Australian Tax Calculator Excel sheet. Host. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down an Australian income tax calculator built in Excel. Whether you're salary planning, budgeting, or just curious how much tax you'll pay, this sheet makes it easy. I'll show you how it works step by step. Part 1. Enter your gross income. First, you enter your gross annual income in cell C4. Let's type in 100,000 as an example. Now, watch how the whole table updates instantly. Your salary row shows $100,000 annually, and it automatically calculates monthly, weekly, daily, and even hourly equivalents. But the real magic is in the income tax and Medicare calculations. Part 2, how income tax is calculated. Australia uses a progressive tax system, meaning different portions of your income are taxed at different rates. Let's look at the progressive tax slab table on the right. For $100,000, first slab, $0 to $18,200 is tax-free to $0 tax. Second slab, $18,201 to $45,000 is taxed at 19%. That's $45,000 minus $18,201 equals $26,799 times 19% equals $5,092. Third slab, $45,001 to $135,000 is taxed at 32.5%. Since our income is $100,000, $100,000 minus $45,001 equals $54,999 times 32.5% equals $17,874. Fourth slab doesn't apply here since we're under $135,000. Now, if we add those up, $0 plus $5,092 plus $17,874 equals $22,966. That's exactly what appears in cell C9, your annual income tax. Part 3, Medicare Levy and total tax. Next, Medicare Levy is a flat 2% of your gross income. So $100,000 times 2% equals $2,000. That's shown in cell C10. Total tax equals income tax plus Medicare equals $22,966 plus $2,000 equals $24,966. And your net pay equals gross income minus total tax equals $100,000 minus $24,966 equals $75,034. Part 4, breaking down to monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly. Now, how does it calculate monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly values? Let's look at the salary row. Monthly equals annual divided by 12 yields $100,000 divided by 12 equals $8,333. Semi-monthly equals monthly divided by 2 yields $4,167. Weekly equals annual divided by 52 yields $1,923. Daily equals annual divided by 365 minus 105 implies they assume 105 weekend days off implies $100,000 divided by 260 equals $385. Hourly equals daily divided by 7.5 hours implies $385 divided by 7.5 equals $51.28. The same formulas apply to income tax, Medicare, total tax, and net pay, so you see exactly how much you take home per pay period. And that's it. This sheet gives you a clear snapshot of your earnings and deductions across different timeframes. If you want to download this template, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.